Welcome back, guys, to another adventure today. We're gonna go meet two buddies of mine and try to do a little bit more trout fishing. It's another cold morning. As you can see, it is 33 degrees this morning, 6:32. We're gonna go try to tear them up again today. One buddy can't make it. He, I think, is doing Easter, or he had to work this morning. Not quite sure. We're gonna go meet up with the two other buddies, and we're gonna go give her our best shot, and we're gonna see what happens today. You guys stay tuned. See you later. Easter Sunday, guys, April 12th. As you can see, there is not very many people fishing. Parking lot's pretty empty here. We're still going to try to catch some trout before we have to go back for Easter dinner. We're in the parking lot waiting on two buddies to arrive so we can go down and see how many trout we can catch before we go back with our families for Easter dinner. Good buddy Hassie's pulling in right now. Still waiting on Dan. There he is. Ready? Oh yeah, he's ready. Give Dan here a couple more minutes. He don't show up, we'll meet him down at the creek. Uber Epic Outdoors, baby. Here we go. Got my first hit here.
Good job.
We'll see if he can commit. There he is. Oh, swing and a miss. Go figure. First one.
Well, you just got to get that first one out of the way.
Yeah, get that first one out of the way.
Then they come easy.
Break the ice.
One.
Dan finally made it. Dan's getting a little older. It's getting harder for him to get out of bed every morning.
Yep. Where's Daniel at?
Stayed home.
Wow.
I can't believe he stayed home. I just missed one in here.
He's been going at her pretty hard the last 3 days.
I was gonna say, Bryson, it was best for him to stay in bed. He was getting pretty moody 2 days in a row, getting up early like that. And we're gonna leave him sleep in.
Maya was still awake. She was making Chef Boyardee pizza in the oven. Decent or small one?
It's not a small one. It's probably mediocre.
Yeah, I think the sun's gonna fucking start getting used to this.
Seems like you're over there on that other side.
Yep.
Missing all his fins. A lot of them I noticed this year were missing a lot of fins. Dan's trying to maneuver over there on a steep bank with a bunch of roots. It's a straight down drop into the water. Trying to get himself in a better position over there because it seems like all the trout that we're having hitting are over there along that far bank over there. Make it look easy.
Yep, this is gonna be easy.
Wow. Mine so far wasn't easy because my net came undone, and I don't know where my magnet went. Huh. I just lost my other piece of my magnet somewhere. Don't horse them up. Let's take her easy with it. What did it eat, Dan?
Yellow.
Yellow gulp.
Yep. Brownie.
Dan has a nice brown on. See if we can't get him in the net. You need an assist? There you got him. That's a nice catch. Beautiful looking brown. There you go, guys. One in the net. Yeah. That's a good one. What's the matter?
I knew that too. That Maddie told me. I was dumb enough to pull up. I seen Dan go out the parking lot. I pulled right up at the. Nobody's answer. There's a sign right there. And I said hello.
Hello. You even said hello.
I'm like, what the? Why ain't nobody answering me? I read that sign that said closed for Easter Sunday. Said their hours. And
Yep,
shit.
closed for Easter Sunday.
Man, that waffle would have tasted good too.
About a rodeo burger the whole way.
Rodeo
I
burger.
love the unringed burger.
I wanted a bacon double cheeseburger just to tie me over.
I
We're not
forgot.
fucking eating, I guess.
Oh,
I stopped there last night after I did my fish, and I thought, there ain't nobody here. And I thought, oh. So I hurried up, just cut right through the parking lot, just kept on
I
going.
seen you. I thought, I wonder if Dan forgot his wallet or something. Darn it. He's a fighter.
he is a fighter.
Plus.
We'll find out if they actually stalked him or these are holdovers. Boy, he's going nuts too. That is not a stalky by the looks of it. Yeah, it is.
Get a bucket.
Huh? Dan hooked up. Dan got him in the net.
Is that the pally?
It's a good one now. I watched him grab it.
I don't even know how.
Oh, now he's wrapped.
That's a pally, I think.
Looks like a brownie.
It is. Brown trout.
Wait a minute. No.
They stocked a lot of browns up in here.
It might be a rainbow, believe it or not. But when I first seen it, it looked like a brown though. It is.
That is a rainbow.
It's a brown.
No, it's a brown. Brownie.
A brown trout. Got the old brown trout. Kicking Bryson's butt at fishing today.
Here.
Because Bryson needs some, what? What do you need now?
How big?
Some more bait. Give me 1 second here.
I'm done screwing with that pally.
Why?
Hard to catch. You getting upset already?
I'm not screwing with him anymore.
Well, it's officially dark outside. We fished as much as we could fish until dark time. We had another awesome day out on the water. We got to fish with family and friends that I haven't fished with since last year. I wish our buddy Shane could have made it out today, but there's always next time, guys. You guys stay epic. Keep ripping lips.